Bruxism can be grinding and clenching of your teeth. Most of the time you're not aware of it because a lot of it happens at night. People clench and grind their teeth for several different reasons. One could be you're trying to breathe. You're trying to move your jaw forward in order to increase the amount of air that you're taking in. Another is you can clench your teeth due to signs of stress. A typical treatment plan for bruxism would be to have a professionally fabricated occlusal guard. What occlusal guard is it covers all of your teeth. It's a hard surface. Occlusal guard keeps you from clenching, keeps you from grinding, and allows your muscles to relax.